going to demonstrate how to position and measure a cat for a GI study. Preparation would have probably been to fast the cat or perform an ENA beforehand to remove any ingesture or material from the GI tract so it doesn't interfere with the radiographic evaluation. Positioning the cat for a right lateral abdominal x-ray. First of all, we need to measure the area so we can get the right exposure factors. So we measure, find the 13th rib and measure from 2 to 3 fingers breadth from there. I'm using rulers. You'd usually use a caliper, and I'm getting a measurement of 8 centimeters. So from that I will refer to my technique chart where I get my exposure factors, and then I would plug those into the machine. Okay, and then once I've got my exposure factors, this cat is sedated, so we're positioned in right lateral recumbency. I will now basically make sure that his legs are pulled forward so they don't superimpose over the field of view, and I'll pull the hind legs caudally so the femoral muscle doesn't obscure the caudal abdomen. We'll make sure the right marker is in place. The beam is centered just caudal to the 13th rib, and we'll collimate from the diaphragm to the femoral head, and from dorsal to ventral we'll make sure we've got the spine and the sternum in place. We can also put a wedge underneath just to make sure there's no rotation of the spine and the sternum. And then we'll take our x-ray on expiration so we get a good radiographic image.